sharing you guys here the TikTok shop that I manage from a client and in Florida, USA. So the client paid me, this is the setup. The client paid me $1,000 to manage the shop. Then I have to have a net profit of $1,000 first before we will have a commission split. So for the month of August, we just started for the month of August. So I listed items like 15 items per day, but it's only 10 items per day, and then from Monday to Friday only. So Saturday and Sunday is not included, but I have to check the shop from time to time also if there are orders, even if there is no listings on that particular day like Sunday and Saturday and Sunday. So for the month of August, we already have the net profit of $478. So I will have 1,000 minus $478 would be, how much is that? It would be only $522 left for me to return the amount that he paid me, because he paid me $1,000. So for the month of August, it's 478, and hopefully by the month of September we will have more sales, as this is very new. I just started listing 10 items per day and it's only August. And hoping by September we will have more, or times two in this amount. That's the goal. That's the times two of this net profit. Because it's not true that once you open a TikTok shop, on the spot or on that month, you will have the 10,000 or 5,000 earnings like what others are posting on social media. You have to season the account because this is organic. We don't do Facebook ads. I mean TikTok ads. So this is organic, mainly just listing items on the shop. So I only have to earn $522 to return the $1,000 that he paid me. Then after that, if $1,000 is completed on the next month, then we will have a split of 70-30. 70 for the client and 30% for me, or as the VA managing his store. So in that case, it would not be heavy also for the client to put up a business. He only needs, for startup, he only needs $1,000, and then as money upfront for the store management or the TikTok shop management, and then to have a 3,000 or $5,000 limit on his credit card for us to start. It's because if we have sales, then we will just start right away, so it won't so we don't have any problem when it comes to his credit limit. So if you have a TikTok shop and you're looking for someone to manage that one, I can do that. And if you need a team for this kind of business, let me know. I have my team also who is, they are ready to manage the TikTok shop, or even in eBay and in Facebook Marketplace. So with this, it only shows that TikTok shop is really working, and hopefully the goal is to have a times two net profit for the month of September, and then so on. As this is very new, so we have to season the account first. It's not true that on that spot, like for the first month, you will earn $5,000, $10,000, like what others are posting on the social media. You will come up on that. Of course, it will take time also, not just one night success. If you need help in managing your TikTok shop, I offer a automation service. I can manage your shop from A to Z. So I'll do the product research, listings, customer service, order processing, and everything. It's only $1,000 for the money upfront, and then we will have a commission split every end of the month. If you need help, let me know. Thank you.